Hello friends, welcome to rootscorner.com videos. Let's see how to make a diet plan for weight loss. Creating a diet plan for weight loss is about making sustainable, healthy change to your eating habit, not relying on restrictive diets. A well-balanced approach helps you manage your calorie intake while nourishing your body to reach your weight loss goal. Here how to create an effective diet plan for weight loss. First, set realistic goal. Start by setting clear and achievable weight loss goal. Aim for gradual loss of 0.5 to 1 kg per week, which is considered safe and sustainable. This approach allows your body to lose fat, not muscle, and lower the risk of gaining weight later. Second, calculate your calorie needs. Weight loss occurs when you consume fewer calories than your body needs. To determine how many calories you need, calculate your total daily energy expenditure, which factor in your age, weight, height, and activity level. Then create a calorie deficit by reducing your intake by 300 to 500 calories per day. This will help you lose weight at steady pace. Third, focus on nutrient-dense food. Choose whole nutrient-dense food that are low in calories but rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Include lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and beans, healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oils, and complex carbs such as whole grains and vegetables. This would keep you full longer and help maintain muscle mass while you lose weight. Fourth, control portion sizes. Portion control is a key to managing your calorie intake. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if eaten in large amounts. Use smaller plates, measure your servings, and be mindful of your hunger cue to prevent overeating. Eating slowly and paying attention to how full you feel can help you eat the right portion. Fifth, stay hydrated. Drinking water is essential for weight loss. Sometimes thirst is making mistake for hunger, leading to overeating. Staying hydrated helps curb hunger, support metabolism, and ensure proper digestion. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. A diet plan for weight loss should focus on creating a calorie deficit while prioritizing nutrient-dense food and portion control. By setting realistic goals and making mindful food choices, you can achieve lasting and healthy weight loss. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.